Welcome to this course on Microsoft Excel, where you will take a journey from being a beginner in Excel to becoming an advanced user of Excel. My name is Abhishek, and along with my co-instructor Pukhraj, I'll be leading you through this course. As instructors, our courses have been enrolled by over 200,000 people worldwide. We both hold engineering and MBA degrees and have experience of data analytics consulting industry. While doing our jobs, we realized that most of the businesses are heavily using Microsoft Excel for data analysis and data visualization. It has become a must-have skill for almost every managerial job nowadays. On the other hand, students are not finding resources which teach this topic not just as an academic subject but also show actual use cases of Excel in business scenarios. We have designed this course for such students who are beginning their data journey and those business managers who want to increase their office productivity. If you regularly put 1 hour a day, within a week you will be able to use Excel proficiently for analysis and visualization purposes. We start this course with the very basics of Excel. Then we cover all the essential formulas that you must know. Next, we increase the level and start learning about tools such as sorting and filtering data, formatting data, and pivot tables. After that, we spend some time learning about all the popular charts and graphs in Excel. In the last part of the course, we take this to the final level when we discuss really advanced topics such as macros and goal seek, etc. The ideal student for this course is a business manager who wants to expand on the analytics skills or a student who wants to start a career in data analytics. There are no prerequisites for this course. We only ask you to do practice exercises side by side. If you have any doubt or query throughout the course, you can post them in the discussion forum. I will be personally solving all your doubts. So feel free to have a look at the course description and we look forward to seeing you inside.